In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Jira, a simple yet powerful integration that can enhance your project management process significantly. Whether you're managing a team or handling a personal project, linking these two platforms can streamline your workflow and keep everything in sync across both tools. So, let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, open your Trello board where you'd like to make this connection. Once you have your board open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a lightning icon which represents the automation features in Trello. Go ahead and click on this icon. Opening the Automations menu is your gateway to enhancing your board's functionality and interacting with other applications. Now that you're in the Automations section, look at the left side of the menu that just appeared. You will see an option labeled View Apps. Click on this, and it will open a selection of various apps that Trello can connect with, providing a wide array of potentials from enhanced task management to better data tracking. As you scroll through the list of available apps, find Jira. This is the tool you want to connect with Trello. Once you locate Jira in the list, you'll see an option to connect with Jira. By clicking on this, you initiate the process of linking the two applications together. This is the critical step where Trello will communicate with Jira to establish this connection. When prompted, you'll need to authorize your Jira account to complete the integration. This step might require you to log in, so ensure you have your Jira credentials handy. Authorizing the connection is a simple yet necessary task, making sure both platforms can share information securely and accurately. And there you go. With just a few clicks, you have successfully connected Trello to Jira. This integration allows you to synchronize tasks, monitor progress seamlessly across both tools, and create a more streamlined project management experience. Remember, this setup can save you time and reduce the hassle of manually updating information between the two platforms. It's an excellent way to enhance your team's efficiency and ensure that everyone is on the same page. I hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to explore the new functionalities this integration offers. Don't forget that with this connection, you can automate various tasks across these platforms, giving you more time to focus on the things that truly matter. Thank you for joining me today, and happy project managing with your newly connected Trello and Jira accounts.